Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you a preset that will give you rock effects and make you sound like Linkin Park. So here we have some vocals and they sound like this.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all.
Okay, so now we're gonna apply the preset and add some auto pitch. You can find the link to get the preset in the description.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.